Good afternoon, everyone. This is Alan from Car City. Check out this beautiful, fresh new arrival here at our dealership. This is our new 2024 Camry XSE, guys. Take a look around. Super rare, beautiful red color. No dents, no scratches. Check out these parking sensors in the back. Check out this beautiful black Camry Toyota logo. The sport spoiler. This is the XSE, guys, so it's gonna have every single factory option on this vehicle. Check out these beautiful sport alloy wheels, guys. Fresh new tires, ready to drive today, guys. Check out this beautiful suspension. The sports suspension looks awesome on this car. Beautiful grille here, LED headlights. This is a one owner, clean Carfax, guys. Let's take a look inside. Beautiful black, well-maintained interior. 24,000 miles on the dash, guys. It's got heads-up display. It's got a beautiful touchscreen here. It has aux, Bluetooth, navigation. There's a backup camera, it has Apple CarPlay. You got a wireless charger here. Heated and cooled seats. Eco mode, normal. You got a beautiful glass sunroof here. And yeah, lots of space. More space in here, guys. This car is good to go. You're gonna have lane departure assistance. You're gonna have blind spot monitors as well. Super safe, guys. Let's check out this backup camera. There we go. You're also gonna have a 360 view around the car. Very, very nice. Nice room back here, guys. Guys, this is one of the most reliable cars out here on the market. This is only 20,000 miles, guys. Let's open up the trunk. Beautiful WeatherTech floor mats comes with the car, guys. Tons of space. More space back here. You got a spare tire underneath. Tons of space, tons of room, guys. Super clean. Let's check out the beautiful V6 engine underneath this car. Guys, by the way, these are tinted, beautiful windows here. Let's just take a look underneath briefly. There we go. Check out this very fresh and clean V6 engine, guys. Guys, before we put this car up for sale, we just went through all the lubricated components, or not we, I mean my master mechanics here that we have at our shop. They went through all the lubricated components in the engine, the transmission, the brakes, the rotors, the fluids. They just did a fresh oil change on this car. So you guys are ready to hit the road today. Let's close this up. You guys could check out this beautiful 2024 Toyota Camry XSE here at Car City, located at 2232 North Rand Road, Palatine, Illinois. You could call us at 847-496-4250. Talk to a sales rep, me, Alan, my man Mikey, Fabian, Gabriel. It doesn't matter who will pick up the phone, guys. You guys are gonna get taken care of, treated like family, and we're gonna get you a great deal. Financing is, of course, available. The banks are gonna love this car. Good credit, bad credit, no credit, no social, I-10. It doesn't matter, guys. We'll get you done at the best rate possible. We have excellent banks. Capital One, Ally, Westlake, and many more. We take all trades, as long as they run, of course. Nationwide shipping. I'll ship this car right to your door. Very nice, very beautiful. We speak multiple languages: English, Russian, Ukrainian, Lithuanian, Polish, Japanese, Spanish, and most importantly, car language, guys. But yeah, we have 150 cars out here on the lot, guys. If this one doesn't suit your needs, I know something will. www.carcitychicago.com. You can check out the rest of our inventory. And yeah, guys, this is Alan from Car City. I'll see you on the next one.